Introduction to React Native. React Native is an open-source framework developed by Facebook. It allows developers to create mobile applications using JavaScript and React. Instead of creating separate apps for Android and iOS, React Native allows a single code base for both platforms. Understanding React Native. React Native uses fundamental UI building blocks similar to regular iOS and Android apps, but with JavaScript and React. Applications can be developed once in React Native and run on both Android and iOS, saving development time and resources. Working with React Native allows writing JavaScript without being tied to a specific JavaScript engine. Supports ES6+ syntax, allowing usage of features like arrow functions, async await, etc. Example of ES6 syntax in React Native provided. Tips and tricks for React Native. Use state and props effectively. Keep state simple, minimize the number of stateful components. Use Flexbox for layout, allows alignment, distribution, and ordering of items in a container. Don't forget about performance. Optimize the app by reducing unnecessary renders, using the production build during testing, etc. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Not understanding the React lifecycle. Understand the three main phases: mounting, updating, and unmounting to avoid bugs. Ignoring warnings. React Native has a good warning system. Warnings should not be ignored as they indicate potential future issues. Using the wrong component. Two types of components in React Native: functional and class components. Use appropriately to avoid issues. Conclusion: React Native is a powerful tool for mobile app development with a great community backing. With the right knowledge and practices, common pitfalls can be avoided and amazing apps can be created. Practice is key in mastering React Native. Keep coding, keep exploring, and have fun.